and welcome to TechChecker. Today I'm going to be showing you this Cubot Rainbow mobile phone running Android 6.0 operating system with a 5-inch IPS screen, quad-core CPU, 16GB ROM, 1GB RAM, and it's in black in colour. Now this one takes two SIM cards, or a transfer card, SIM card. So let's have a look. So you get two separate IME numbers. I'm not going to show you them, obviously, for security reasons. You get the phone, comes in a nice box, black in colour. So you get the phone, a little bit of installation guide, a thing on how to set it up, a USB and a charger. Put them back in there for the moment. Look at the phone. So it comes nicely packed, so we can get this out of here. Well packed, sure. There you go. Okay, so it comes with its own clear screen, clear protector already. Also looks like it's got a screen protector on there, so that's quite handy. Let's just take this off for a second. It's a nice case. It's gonna definitely help cushion any drops. It's got nice thick corners, so that's nice. Let's get some extra light on it. Nice thick corners on there, so that's an added bonus. And the phone itself is an Android. Looks nice. So we get the back off. I think it's through here. Yeah, work your way up. Okay, so we've got two slots up here. Two SIM card slots, as well as a micro SD card. So you can have a micro SD card and two SIMs, or I believe you can have two micro SD cards and a SIM. Let's see what it says. So it's band GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900, SIM card dual, micro SD cards. Operating system is Android 6.0. Has a quad core 1.3 gigahertz processor, 16GB of ROM, 1GB of RAM, external card support up to 32GB trans flash. The display is a 5.0 inch IPS 1280 by 720, so it's HD screen as well. It's got a 13 megabyte back camera, which I'm sure I read somewhere is an f2.0, so it should be good in low light because it's got a good aperture on it. Battery life is 2200 milliamps. Let's get it out and have a look. Take the sticker off it. Get a SIM card. Okay, so I've got my SIM card, O2. I'm putting it into SIM card slot 1. It will take two SIMs, so I'm going to stick that in there like that. It also takes a micro SD card, so I'm going to stick that 32GB one in there. Like so. So it's good that you can take two SIM cards. Stick the battery back in. Put the back on. Turn it on. Hopefully there's some power in it. Yep, starting up. Welcome, let's change the language. English United Kingdom. Also need to connect to a network. Let me just get my wireless key. Okay, connect. Any bits in the video what take some time, I'm going to just fast forward through them at full speed. Skip that for a minute. The time and the date's right. Stick in a pin number. Okay, right. So first thing to do is go to settings. SD card detected. Find my pin number. Format the card. Put 32GB one in there. That's moving all my data over, which is next to none. So, got display. You got wallpaper, live wallpapers. Google launch papers. One of the live wallpapers, looks quite smart. Bubbles. It's got a few different ones. Just leave it on that for the moment. You can choose between photos as well, so if you've got a photograph you can use that as a wallpaper. Automatic sleep after 30 seconds of non-use. Font size is large. Everything else is fine. Let's go back. Sounds and notifications. General. Storage and USB. So I've got 29GB of storage on the memory card and 11GB left on the phone itself. Battery shows a percentage. Intelligent power saving on as well. Users, so you can have a couple of users on it. That's just quite unusual for a phone. It's good though. Location, accounts, so you can add your Google accounts in there, etc. Google stuff. Backup, reset, date and time, which is on. You can schedule a time on and off, so you can get it so it turns off at night at a certain time and restarts in the morning at a certain time, so you don't get notifications through the night. So that's quite a good feature. Accessibility. for people with hard hearing, etc., or harder for seeing. Talk back, Keymaster, it's got all different. Large text, high contrast text, power button ends, call, auto rotate, speak your password, access B shortcut, speak, text to speech, output. Color correction. These features affect the performance. Color correction there as well. And then we got about the phone. It's running Android 6.0. Android security patch level 1st of September 2016. The phone status, signal, etc. Tells you all of that sort of stuff. IME numbers. So it's like you got your apps. Let's test out the camera, see how good it is in low light. It's getting dark now, so I'll take a couple of pictures with it and give you some sort of idea. Take a picture of this to start with. This is dark. That's with the flash on. The flash off and auto. That's pretty good quality. I'll take a picture outside in a minute as well to give you an idea. It's got a panorama mode as well, so that's quite handy if you want to do the long sweeping modes. It's got a normal mode, face beauty mode. In the settings, you've got share your location, exposure adjustment. You can adjust the exposure of it. Color effects, all different types of colour effects there. Whiteboard, blackboard, aqua, negative, sepia, mono and auto. None. Scene mode. Auto, night, sunset, party, portrait, landscape, night portrait, theatre, beach, snow, steady photo, fireworks, sport and candlelight. I'll leave on auto for the moment. Image properties, sharpness high, hue normal, saturation normal. I'll just leave it on medium actually, I'll leave it as default, we can always change that later. Anti-flicker is on auto. We've got anti-shake, voice capture, face detection, small shot, auto scene detection. It's quite smart. Timer. Picture size, so it goes from 1.3, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13 megapixels. Preview size, you can have standard, which is 4x3, or you can have the whole screen. I'm going to put it onto the whole screen. ISO, so you can choose that yourself, from 100, 2, 4, 8 and 1600. I'm going to leave that on auto. And you can have face detection, small shot. You can change all those as well. Your video, microphone on, audio mode, normal or meeting, time lapse. That's really cool. So you can do a time lapse photography with this mobile phone. So you can set it anywhere up to 10 seconds, from 1 second in increments of half a second up to 3, then 5 and 10 seconds. So that's going to be a nice little feature if you're into photography. What else was there? Mr. Dude. Time lapse, video quality, high, medium and fine. Put on fine. Take that off now. Go back to the main menu. So you've got backup, you've got your calculator, you've got your calendar there as well. So you can add in stuff into your calendar there. And if you've got a Google account, it's all going to be linked up. Access to your drive, Chrome, Clean Master, clock, contacts, radio, built-in radio, Gmail, Google, Hangouts, Maps. Maps are going to be handy for finding your way around. You got your Google Play Store there. Sound recording for taking memos, etc. SIM toolkit. Wireless video player. So if you wanna, if you've got any videos on your card, and you got YouTube as well. Automatically changes the size. There you go. So you've got YouTube there as well. You can Chromecast it to your telly, like my telly, or your Xbox One. Let's go back to home. So we've got, that looks like Hangouts, your messages. I've got nothing else on there at the moment. From here onto the main screen it is. Airplane mode, tethering, portable hotspot, mobile networks. Airplane mode, tethering, so if you've got a tablet you want to tether it to it, you can do that. Your Bluetooth, your data usage, which is obviously going to be nothing for me at the moment. Your apps. I'll be the first to admit, this is the first Android I've really had a good play with. This is actually for my son, this phone. I'm more of an Apple user. File manager. There's your Hangouts, Google Hangouts. Obviously you have to sign in with your Google account for that. It's on there. There's your photos, settings, music player, FM radio. You might have to plug headphones in. Yeah, you need to plug headphones in for that. And obviously you've got the Play Store where there's absolutely tons of stuff you can download, but you need to log in with a Gmail account. And obviously this is a present from my son, so I'm not going to be setting any of that up. It's not his birthday till the end of the month. It gives you an idea. So yeah, it's really nice. It's a nice weighted phone as well. Looks nice. It's not heavy. Comes with this cool protector. What I'll do is I'll take a couple of pictures and let you see what the low light capability of this phone is. And hopefully this has been of some sort of help to you. Here are a couple of photos that I've taken inside and outside, just to give you some sort of idea of the quality of the camera. It's a 13 megapixel camera. It's nothing special to write home about, but it does the job. It's no iPhone camera, but for the money it's perfectly reasonable, and it will work indoors and outdoors.